everybody, and welcome back. Today we're painting a leek using my Daler Rowney watercolors, and I'm starting with the layers, and so I'm doing a olivey green, and then I'm doing a bit of a grey brown. And I'm using the heat gun to dry in between the layers. And then I go back and I'm just kind of doing another layer with the green. And I'm doing a bit of a darker green this time because the top of the leek has kind of dark, lighty colours. And then I'm just doing a bit more of that grey-brown for the body of the leek. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.